To check downloaded files on your iPhone, first you need to visit this app called Files. As you can see, Files, into tab here, and you will find this option called Recents. So anything you have downloaded on your device, most of the time the files will be on this location. But however, if due to some glitch or any other technical error, if the file is not here, then you need to visit browse. As you can see, this browse tab. So now you will see this bunch of options. It says on my iPhone, Drive, iCloud, recently deleted, and downloads. So most of the time your download files will be on my phone, and there will be a download option. As you can see, this download box. So when you tap here, most of the time the files will be in this location. However, if it isn't in this location, you can check on your iCloud drive, it will be here as well. Or if it doesn't appear in both of the places, on my iPhone as well as iCloud drive, lastly you can check it on this download option. So yeah, you will find the download files in any of these three options. So yeah, that's how you find your downloaded files on your iPhone or any other iOS devices. So thanks for watching, and please support my channel by liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.